All right, guys, we need Bitcoin to bounce, but more so, this is the crypto hustle. So here you go in 3, 2, 1, the crypto hustle.
Call me the crypto kid. Why the stop with the digits? Grinding on Coinbase, cracking crypto like digits. That trade intuition like a snitch. Trading is as difficult as you make it, ain't no glitch. Blockchain gains the profit, stacking like Legos. Ethereum flow, flip coins. Here go, ride them waves. Bull market, no SOS. I wanna get rich with you, not because of you manifest. Let's make this money, stacks on stacks. Bitcoin to the moon, no looking back. Let's make this money, hustle strong. Crypto in my veins, paper tracks all night long. Crypto baller flipping coins at dawn. Trade fiat for digital wealth, be my brawn. Got my eyes on the prize, ain't slowing down. Trading is as difficult as you make it, we're getting around. Cold wallet heavy, encryption keep it sealed tight. MetaMask mask it, making moves in the night. Trade intuition, gut feeling on sight. Living that crypto life, every day's a fight. Let's make this money, stacks on stacks. Bitcoin to the moon, no looking back. Let's make this money, hustle strong. Crypto in my veins, paper tracks all night long. Call me Bob. Call me Bob. Call me the crypto king. Wallet fat with them digits. Grinding on Coinbase, cracking crypto like fidgets. That trade intuition like a snitch. Trading is as difficult as you make it, ain't no glitch. Blockchain gains the profit, stacking like Legos. Ethereum flow, flip coins. Here go, ride them waves. Bull market, no SOS. I wanna get rich with you, not because of you manifest. Let's make this money, stacks on stacks. Bitcoin to the moon, no looking back. Let's make this money, hustle strong. Crypto in my veins, paper tracks all night long. Crypto baller flipping coins at dawn. Trade fiat for digital wealth, be my brawn. Got my eyes on the prize, ain't slowing down. Trading is as difficult as you make it, we're getting around. Cold wallet heavy, encryption keep it sealed tight. MetaMask mask it, making moves in the night. Trade intuition, gut feeling on sight. Living that crypto life, every day's a fight. Call me Bob. Call me. Call me Bob. 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 Call me. Call me Bob. Call me Bob.
That's right, guys. We got this. Crypto hustle. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Bingo bango. I said bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon. Oh, right. Thank you. That was unexpected. Thank you very much. Appreciate you guys. Bingo bango. All right. For those of you who don't know, my name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms, pattern memorization. We show you the reality of trading. That's what we do here. And we win, we lose, and we fight for another day. That's what we do. Special shout out to Chris. Chris was first. Thank you so much, man, for being here. Yes, definitely smash the like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Appreciate you guys. Damien said he's going live in 20 minutes, and that was 20 minutes ago. So he is live right now. Now, this is a bonus stream. Right now, we changed our times to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you do want a stream right around this time, make sure to go to Meet Damien. Tomorrow, I might do an early stream. I'm not sure what time. Maybe 8 o'clock, 9. But so Alex on Crypto, he goes live at 8. So I'll probably have only like 2 viewers, if that many. So I don't know. We'll see. Techman says, someone say Rich. I love it. See, we got Steve in the house. What's up, Steve? Appreciate you, man. Bingos and a bangos. I love it. I love it. See here. Let's go ahead and close this one out. Techman says, crypto ain't working out. They taking EBT. Uh-oh. Crypto ain't working out. They taking EBT. Now we show what we about. That's funny. It's a blues track. Maybe I still didn't make that song. Where all my liquidity traders at? I like it. Let's see here. All right. Good morning, guys. All right. Good morning, Wes. Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate you. Let's go ahead and get started. We're looking at crypto bubbles on the hourly. Man, what happened? Oh my gosh. Talk to some bad stuff. I have to be careful with what I say on YouTube because, well, they like to hinder certain people, and of course, I'm already being hindered. Maybe I just need to get scams. I noticed that YouTube likes scammers, really do. Let's go to the daily. On the daily, man, big drops. Hopefully, y'all had stop losses in place. We took two trades yesterday. Both of them got stopped out. I don't think they hit our targets. And you win, like I said, you win and you lose. I don't believe they hit our targets. Let's go to the altcoin season index. ASI 28 today. We were 31 yesterday. 23 last week. 56. Boring. Let's go to the liquidation seat map. We're going to do the 24-hour time frame. On the 24-hour, we can just see just down. Possible bounce. I was trying to get this. What's it? I was showing them on the chart. I was trying to get the bounce, and my leverage was real high, and I was just trying to get this, and then it came down, it tapped it. I think here I got stopped out, but it's all right. So let's go to the 12-hour time frame. We got lots of liquidations for the top. We can see, and this is a perfect example, and this is what I mention all the time. When we have liquidation levels to the bottom or the top, doesn't matter. Price could go right to it and bounce up. So what it's doing is trapping all these traders that were here, and they're like, oh, it broke this level or just wherever. Here's gonna be my target or what have you. Comes right close to it, and then it bounces up. And then more than likely, it might liquidate the traders that were trying to target this liquidation. So hopefully that makes sense. The market makers can take this wherever they want. I'm gonna drink some coffee real quick. Yum. I see here. Chris says, YouTube likes scammers. Wonder how scammy they actually, they do. They really do like scammers. And I'm not talking about the YouTubers that I normally talk about. I'm just talking about in general. Like, remember all those commercials that we used to have? I haven't seen them pop up too much lately, but with all the AI with, XRP and everything, I'm giving away 1,000 XRP, 7,500, and I'll double it. 1,000 to your wallet, blah, blah. I remember the first time when I was just getting into crypto, story time. I was so gullible because I didn't know. I'm like, wow, really? I send you 500, you'll send me 1,000? XRP is supposed to be like going to $500 next year. But if I would have known how to do it, I would have done it. Good thing I didn't know how, because I would have. I would have done it. Let's see here. Let's look at some charts. We always ask about Clash. Clash, same thing, just boring, not doing anything. We talked about this level that we did not want it to break, but we were pretty sure that it might. And if it does, we're looking, here's my sad face. We're looking to potentially come for this, and then hopefully we can bounce, which would be about a 30% drop from what we were looking at last time. And then hopefully here's a decision point after we come up, we come down, and hopefully we go up. If not, you may go and just do nothing for a while until, George pushes it or what have you. Let's go to, I think that's the only one people ask about now. Pumpy. It's just dead. Like this one's dead. Chew is dead. These were coins that were asked about some time ago. Karma, we haven't looked at Karma in a long time. Karma was here the last time we looked at it. We're saying that it may come up here to either roll over or this could be our decision point. Come up. Once we break this level, we can enter. It did break, well, it broke this level. For me personally, I would have entered. And then once again, what I do is I show you what I would have done, not based off of what I see. So many YouTubers do that. And what it does is it wrecks people. It really does. You know, if you say you're going to enter, well, then you enter. However, I will add this. Because it went pretty much just straight up and I entered here, there's a really strong chance that it can come down here about, shoot, man, 25%. So what I would think is, let's say I had $100. What I would think is, yes, I would enter here. Hold on. 4-hour time frame. I like the candle, even though there's a big wick up top. I still like the candle. I would have entered. I would have entered here thinking that we have a really high chance, because again, we've gone nothing but up, really strong chance of it coming down to maybe here and then doing this. This is what I would think might happen. Because of that, if I had $100, let's just say $100, what I would do is I would put, let's say 25 here. So 25 here, and then the 75 here. As it's coming up. That's what I would have done. But so let's just say hypothetically, I did 25. I'm gonna check the chat in just a second. I did 25 here. It comes up, awesome. Starts coming down. I don't panic. I'm wanting it to come down. Comes down even more. Okay, cool. Comes down here. Starts doing this number. Right now, it's just kind of balancing on here. I want to see an up, down, up, and then I can go in. Now, granted, I know I said, as it's coming up, I can enter, but this is really not coming up. It's just kind of going sideways. So I would like to see this, and then here I would be forced. Well, not forced, but better here. And I didn't get the second one. It comes down here. So now what I'm thinking, maybe it does this. And then now we can enter. So something on that. Let me catch up in the chat really quick. We got Techman saying they like money. They will take ad revenue from anyone, even scammers. Rubbing salt in, yeah. True. True. Very true. Dave P in the house. What's up, Dave P? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate you greatly. We got 5 a.m. Gardner. What's up, man? Appreciate you guys. It's a chilly morning. It's warming up. It's 57 degrees now. It was 50. Woke up real early. 6 o'clock. I was outside on the porch, waiting for the sun to come up. I was like, what time does the sun come up? Oh my gosh. All right. Let's see here. What else? I don't see anything else on here. Let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin just now is starting to turn. Just now. I tried. Joe, why are you smiling? I tried. I think here. I tried to catch the bounce. It went up, started coming down, and I believe I moved up my stop loss. Boom, stopped out. Okay. This one, I think I was in a really small gain, just to like cover my stop loss, cover my fees rather, and a little, like a penny more. Then here starts going up, and I entered again, and as it's moving down, I moved up my stop loss really tight. Again, cover my fees, maybe a penny. And then here, I think I entered, and then I got stopped out. I was like, really? Really? And now it's moving. Great. So here we have a low, lower low, still very bearish. I have my indicators here. So this is my momentum indicators. This is using my 9 SMA, my 30. This is using my 50 SMA, my 200. So this is like a bigger time frame, of course, and this is the smaller. So right now we have on the 3 minute, we have a level 2. Remember yesterday, Joe, move your big head. I can't do it. Yesterday, I was saying that I was going to do levels on here. Well, I did it. So we have a level 2 on the 3. So a level 3 is good. And a level 3 on the higher SMAs is better. Does that mean that it's going to reverse? No, it can change. It can move anywhere it wants. This is just showing what's happening in the moment. So that's what that's doing. We got Al in the house. What's up, Al? Appreciate you, man, being here. So let's go ahead and zoom out. Let's just look at everything. Yesterday, well, a couple days ago, prices here. We're saying it'd probably come up, come down. I was looking for a bounce here. It didn't. And actually, yesterday, I believe it was on the evening stream, the 9 o'clock. So that's what we're going to be doing from here on out. We're going to be doing our streams at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then some bonus streams in the week. I'm shooting for 12 p.m. We did one yesterday, one today. And if I do a bonus stream tomorrow, it'll be early, like maybe 7 or 8 in the morning. So make sure you're in the Discord for one, because I posted in Discord. I also posted in my VIP group, but in there, I'm always doing videos on updating, like as far as trades and just thought process. So sometimes they may join, but usually they get all their stuff that they need in the VIP group. But as far as everybody else who is for free, make sure to join the free Discord. Link is in the description. If I have some admins in here, please throw the link. I have the link that does not expire on my link tree. So these are for my admins. So you can update your link using the link that's in the description. But on here, I post as far as, going live. Same thing with X. Make sure you're following me on X. Make sure the notification bell's on. I posted there about an hour ago, I guess. And just saying that I'll be going live today at 12. Plus, I mentioned it yesterday on the streams. All right, moving on. All right, so 4-hour time frame. I thought we were going to bounce here. Let's see here. And then I believe it was on last night's stream. There was, I forgot who it was. One of the viewers said, I think it's going to come down here to about 108. I said, the 786. I mean, it could. I can see it, because again, it broke this, and we're waiting over here. I said, yeah, I can see it, but if we're going to come here, why not just come here to get this? But I don't know. I'm hoping that we bounce here. Sure enough, came all the way down. So right now, this is our bounce zone. I mean, geez, man, like right on the bounce zone. Let's see if it bounces. We do have some bullish divergence. We have a low, a lower low. We have a low and a higher low. I'm including the wicks. Let's see here. What else do we see? Let's zoom out, zoom out. Let's hide all the drawings. So this is our zone that we do not want to break. Do I have that drawn out? No, okay, because I have another zone. I don't like putting too many zones here. So this is the zone. We'll just call it this zone that we don't want it to break. But if we do, I mean, there's so many different key levels for us to bounce off of. We have the bounce zone. We have this trend line from the previous cycle. We have this blue line, which again is another trend line. This is internal structure. This is external structure. So these two lines are very important. And it creates this zone here. Just like how this is our bullish zone. This right here is our support zone. Like, I don't want it breaking below. So we have like 97 to maybe 103. And that's our zone. So this right here, we're doing a bonus stream right now. What do I think is going to happen? Right now, of course, price actions underneath the moving averages. And that's what this is showing. This is just showing momentum. Let's go ahead and delete some of this stuff. That way we can have a new thought process. Okay, we don't need this as well. Okay. We're going to actually get rid of these too, because we don't need these anymore. These were just levels that we were looking at. But now, since the price, already did its thing, we can just see these levels. And this level is really strong. So I am going to keep this level on here. No, It's too messy. We can just see it. Okay, fine, I'll do it. But I'll do it like this though. Hold down shift, go all the way across, reduce the size of this. So this just shows, you know, bounce, broke through, rejection, broke through. So now maybe another bounce, then people will see a head and shoulders. And this would be a nice head and shoulders. You know, I have a lot of traders where they'll see something like this and they're like, oh, Joe, look, we have a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. It's like, no, man, you're forcing it. Don't force it. Or they'll see something like this. And they're like, oh, Joe, don't you see it? We have a shoulder, head, and a shoulder. It's like, oh, man, you're forcing it. But look at this. Very clean. Shoulder, head. And if we come up here, shoulder. Very clean. There's no forcing it. No squinting your eyeballs. Like here. Don't you see it? Inverse head and shoulders. Dude, you're forcing it. Don't force it, man. Hey, we got Alexander G in the house. Thank you, Alexander G. You are the best. And you really are. When people, and I say this all the time, when people would say you're the best, I was like, I don't know. Then I started watching you and seeing how you work and operate, and everywhere you're at, I literally thought you had no job. Nothing wrong with not having a job. And I literally thought you, I don't know what movie, maybe like The Matrix, where there's like nothing but monitors everywhere. Like, no joke. That's what I really thought. You have monitors everywhere and maybe like 2 computers or maybe even 3 and all these monitors, and you just click, 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 click. As hard as you work, and then to find out that you mine fiat, man, that's nuts. Don't know how you do it. Don't know how you do it. Let's see here. So right now we're looking for a bounce. It's looking so ugly, man. And people I talk to, they're like, oh, you know, we're still bullish. I was like, in here, I'm bullish. Here, especially, I'm bullish. You know, once we break 119.415, I'm bullish. Until then, no. You know, we came up, we didn't break this high. Not only that, but we came all the way back down to this low. Like, in order for me to be bullish, this is what I would have need to have seen. Okay, fine. We went up, we came down, we went up, we came down, we went up. Now we're starting to get bullish. Here is where we needed to bounce. And then maybe get rejected here. Then here's our decision point again. Now let's go. This is what we needed to see. However, what do we have? We came down. Hopefully bounce here. Nope. Maybe bounce here. Nope. All the way down. So now what could happen is we could lose momentum. And then now maybe come up based off of this, or continue down into this range, trade in here for a little bit, and then maybe break out. Hopefully. So I want to do a trade. Let's do another trade, guys. If y'all have any coins you want me to do, let me know. Chris says, I'm not in any trades right now, trying to figure out the market. Do you use and believe in fractals? So it depends on your definition of a fractal. And a fractal, in my definition of a fractal, is just a pattern that repeats. Like, you'll see, you know, certain things, and let's just say, for example, perfect example, let's go to the daily, and let's come over here. Here. So what we do is, like, we'll see this and we're going, oh man, this kind of looks like what we're in right now, you know, as far as our top. Maybe this will happen to where we get another higher high. So then what we do is I have the, can y'all see it down here? I have the bars pattern, which that's what I prefer to use. There's also this one called the ghost feed, and the ghost feed, it actually looks like candles, but I like this one, the bars pattern. So then you do is you're like, okay, you know, we're right here right now. Let's go from here all the way over to the high, and then we just get this. What I like doing though is I leave this here so I know where I grabbed it from. Then I go to clone, then I get this new one and I move it over. Come on, we're going to grandma's. Let's go. Come on. So we can say something like this. And that actually looks perfect. But now I'm going to adjust it due to the market cap being different, because now we are increased market cap. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shrink it down just a tad. And this would actually be perfect. And then what I'll do also, get out of here, Powell. Nobody wants you. You're nobody's friend. And just lower the opacity so that as we're charting, we can see, hey, it's kind of playing out. Now, granted, we're doing it from, this already happened. But let's see if this and this, look at this, perfect into our zone. And then here, perfect into our zone. And if the time is correct, let's just look at the time on the bottom. November. What happened to October? Don't know. Then we have November, December, people selling off, Christmas, not only that, but for taxes. In January, we start getting a pump. Then February, a little bit more of a pump. Then March, retracement before our pump in April. And then our high, April 26th, in April. That'd be pretty cool. And then bear market, let's go. Let's short everything to zero. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Oh yeah, like 100%. Yeah, like you deserve it. Big time. Let's see here. Look back to June 17th, 18th of this year, then Halloween of last year. Okay. So June 17th, 18th of this year, then Halloween last year. Okay, so let's go Halloween. So we're in 2025, so it'll be 2024. Oh, you're talking about this pump? You're talking about this? And then October. Well, see, here, I mean, we're up. But currently right now, we're way down here. We're down. So maybe here, September, like we can do it from here. But we can't do it up here because we're down here now. In my opinion. Let me just look. Yeah, so we'd have to grab it from here. So let's do it. So let's grab it from here. Let's go all the way up. Let's do our moon boy. And then let's go and leave that one there. Let's clone it. Let's move this over. And here also, let's go ahead and make this a little bit, not that one. So we can see it at first. I like yours better than mine. I'm just saying, because it goes up. And then let's adjust this. This one I really don't want to adjust it because I mean it lines up perfectly. Oh crap. So here I'm not going to adjust it, but here we come up to our level. We come back down. We come up. We kind of balance on it, dance on it. We bounce, find support on it. We get rejected off of it, and it referring to the trend lines from the first cycle to the second cycle. We break through moon mission, and this is all like November. So all-time high, new, end of December. Then more all-time highs, January. I like your thought process better than mine. Mine's boring. We'll see. We'll leave them both on here. Hopefully I don't delete them. Any coins? Coins y'all want me to do? Man, I was in some trades yesterday, 2 trades, and they were meh. What's this? Let me delete. I opened too many charts again. YouTube. This was a trade that we're in. We got stopped out right away. You know, just. And this one I went high leverage. I didn't tell y'all. I didn't want to encourage degeneracy, but here I think I only told y'all. I think 10x, 2x, 5x. I forget what I said, but I went high, and this is coming down. Started coming up on this bounce. I added to my entry, and dang it. And then sure enough, boom. So that was a fail. Towel. This one, I think it was last night. People were asking about it. And I was like, I don't know. Like, it looks bullish to me. You know, we came up, and this one, I was looking at this one because this was the only coin that was making a move after that dump, and it made a huge move, and I was waiting to short it, and I never did. And then now the price was here or here. I was like, I don't know. I think it'll retrace, but come up. Now it did retrace, but not what I was thinking. I'm thinking price was here. I'm thinking we retrace to here and then come up. And I believe I even mentioned it too. It's like, you know, I don't think we'll hit this, but you know, here's our third target. If you wanted to enter a short now, it's very aggressive. And I mentioned this yesterday. I wouldn't do it, you know, just because it could go up more before it starts coming down, because it didn't break a level yet. So I like trading safer. And again, you know, what I show you is I show you this, what I would have done in the moment versus after the fact. Here I could have said, oh yeah, we talked about this last night, join my group and this and that, you know, we called it. No. I wouldn't have entered it. Too aggressive for me. And it played out to a T. Who took the trade? Who took the trade? Put a 4 in the chat. You know, let me know. Get out of here. I just told you I wouldn't do it. But it's funny though. Everybody does that. Everybody. I was watching this guy, the guy that I'm trying to help, but he doesn't want help. And he was just, you know, looking at a chart for like a good 10 minutes, which was good. You know, he was analyzing everything. And he's real wishy-washy though. It's like, yeah, you know, this and that. And I don't know, chat, what do you think? Do you think we should do this and this and blah, blah, blah? And then, you know, he's talking about all his, you know, model 2200, whatever. And then he 369 numbers. And he's got like so many different methods. One's going to be right. And he's like, I don't know, chat. And then it ended up going the way, but he, again, you know, it could go up, it could go down. And I get it. But then he's like, oh, who took the trade, guys? Like, man, and this one happened to go up. He was doing stocks, the S&P 500? No, NASDAQ. He was doing NASDAQ. I think he trades like on the 5-second chart or 1 second. I don't know what he does, but you just see like the candles going. I'm assuming 1 second probably. And he's like, yeah, you know, who went to the trade, guys? That was a great setup. Who went? It's like, dude, you didn't call it. Like, why do you even ask that? But anyway, but here, if you would have taken this trade, I would not have. It's just too aggressive for me. But here's where the stop loss would have been. Here's your first target. Here's your second target. And then here's your third target. So that's what that is. So let's get rid of this one. Save it. What's this one? YouTube. This one we entered I believe. Stopped out right away. 1.5%. I'm lucky we did 1.5% as opposed to this. Yeah, I remember on this one, I think I said I didn't like it. I didn't like how the price action is. But if you're going to take it, I'm thinking we're going to come down, to come up to do this number. But if you wanted, I mean, you know, here's your stop loss. But for me, I wouldn't have taken that. AVAX, this is a YouTube one. Ooh, we're almost stopped out. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, man, we tried doing AVAX the other day. Should we try it again? Just for a scalp? Steve in the house. What's up, Steve? See here, catching up on the chat really quick. Going on the chat. 46. Yeah, right now it's 57. It's been warming up. I got a heater by my feet. See here. I was looking at it on the 4-hour for the fractals. Oh, okay. Gonna get to 88. Yeah, I checked the weather, or I asked the whatever thing I have, and I think that's about my same weather too. I think 78 for the highs over the weekend. See here. Chris says, I'll take a 46 and a hoodie. 71. Lasers. What's up, Lasers? Appreciate you, man, being here. See here. If you're not trading Asia and UK sessions, you're likely just getting wrecked. Yeah, so I always forget, and I had them written down as far as the times. Asia, what is that, like 8 p.m. Eastern time or 10 p.m. Eastern? Because I trade whenever the price is moving, like whenever my alerts go off. And sometimes, and I noticed it for a while, it was going like a lot at 10. At 10 and at 2. But I forget what, and there I have an indicator. I think it's on this Bitcoin one. Sessions. So Asia starts in 5 hours. So it's 7 Eastern. And then London. See here, going down the list. See here, David says, I've been here just listening since the beginning. Well, thank you, my friend. And thank you for smashing the like. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. As Chris says, my trades worked out good last night. I put in a stop loss and take profits, but still got out. Well, nice, smart, very nice. Not sure what to look at today, be honest. Okay, no problem. We'll just kind of go through some stuff. See here. And went to get some Mountain Dew. Yum, yum. See, what we're looking at today. Here's a few coins. We'll run through some coins that I'm looking at. Hey, we got Jesse in the house. What's up, Jesse? Appreciate you. Hello, Caspa. Man, you my favorite. Hello, Caspa. You are my favorite. Okay, yeah, definitely. We can do this. So we got Cass, Cardano, Doge. It's funny, I would always call Doge Dodge in the beginning. Like for like the first 3 to 6 months. Like, dang it. Dodge, Doge. Congratulations on getting added at the end of CBS streams. Okay, let me say. Congratulations on getting added at the end of CBS streams. What's that? I don't know what CBS is. Crypto Blood? What did he do? What did he say? I was already over here. I like Crypto Blood. He's a good dude. We were on Trading Wars together. He's a really good dude. I try showing him support whenever I can. And, he tells me too, is like, he likes the way I trade because I trade simply. And I tell him all the time, I said, man, I like how you trade because you keep it simple. And yeah, Crypto Blood. And then like whenever I, give my little, advice or 2 cents or whatever, it's like, yeah, that's what it is. So yeah, he's a good dude. I like him. Steve says, can you look at virtuals? Oh yes, definitely virtuals. Man, I feel so bad. More so for my group because I was looking at virtuals, man. I was looking at virtuals and I was like, you know what? Hopefully it'll come down like another 18% and then we'll enter it. And then the next day, boom, it took off. I was like, okay, well, hopefully it'll retrace because nothing else is moving. And boom, it took off again. But in the group, that's one of the coins that I talk about a lot. And I dropped the ball. Sucks. But you know, in the group, like that's one of the coins. BNB was one, and that one took off like crazy. Virtuals is another one. That one took off like crazy. We still have Sol, AVAX, Litecoin, and I think there's like 2 others. See here. Always try and support the good people. Thank you, Jesse. Getting ready for dinner, lurking. Hey, man, I appreciate you just being here, showing up. I appreciate you greatly. Asia is 8 p.m. Eastern, right? I think so. I always forget. So you're going down the list. I'll wait at least 2 hours into Asia before I start trading it. That's very smart. That way, all that volatility is out of the way. That's very smart. You know what? I'm going to write that down. There's a lot of people who wait like 30 minutes, but 2 hours is a good time. Now, one thing that I recommend, like right there, I mean, that's a pro tip. So you could probably use that for other sessions as well. You know, let the volatility get out of the way, then you'll see the direction. Like for me, I don't like doing orb trading, and there's a lot of people who do. I don't, because it's so volatile. And what I normally do, like if I'm going to do an orb type trading, because I back tested it just for like 2 weeks. I know I need to do it for like, I don't know, like 6 months, 8 months. I just did it for 2 weeks. I didn't like it. It was gambling. For me, it was gambling. And so what I end up doing is market opens at 9:30 Eastern. I'll usually wait till 10:30. Easy. So I can see the direction it's going in. Just makes sense. But I'm going to put on here, wait 2 hours into session. And you like Asia. I love Asia and UK. Yeah, I like those two. And I'm usually up. So I trade. And not only that, but that's when all my alarms go off. Like during the daytime around maybe 2-ish, some of my alarms go off or alert. But normally like at 10, between 10 and 2, especially last year in 2024, OMG, man, I'll tell you what. And people, man, Joe, you don't sleep. No, man, my alerts are going off. That's when I make money. So I trade when the alerts go off. So yeah, we're gonna do virtuals. Okay. Crypto Blood added him as a mod. I'm a mod on Crypto Bloods. Oh, you've been modded. Oh, okay. Jerry is a super cool guy. Okay, go in the list. Very nice. David says, still no guarantee, and sometimes I go 4 hours between trading. Asia, wow. Yeah, I just need a direction. Just be out before New York session. Yeah, greatly reduce. Jesse did. Okay. All right. So let us get to work. Let's duplicate this. So I'm going to right click, duplicate tab. I'm going to get this, move it all the way over. And that way, because I want all this stuff here. The only problem is I'm going to have to do it on default. Because I don't think I was trying to save it, but so I have this one. This is my red light, green light. But I don't know if this one. I don't know. So for today, we'll do this. We'll do it on this. So, I can't. Dang it. Oh, I know. Save the thingamabob. So let's go to indicators. Nope. Let's go to this. Save template. Okay. Sure. And then we'll just name this one. We'll name this one TI. Save it. Boom. Done. Go back to this. Favorite it. Got it. Okay. So now let's go to YouTube and we'll say open anyway. Now let's do CAS. And we're going to do a live stream tonight, guys, at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. Just give you a heads up. So we're looking at CAS. Oh, okay. So this one we were doing investment. So we have a lower entry way at 40% lower. Give you a heads up. All right. So I like it. Oh, let's go ahead and put our TI stuff on here. Let's go. Right now, it's just horrible. Horrible. What does that mean, Joe? That means it's horrible. Let's go ahead and hide all this stuff. Okay. Let's go to a bigger time frame, 4 hour. Man, once it broke that level, I would think that it would, of course, I show you what I would have done in the moment, not what everybody else does. Bounce here. This would have been my bounce zone. Nice bounce zone. But it broke below it. Could we have shorted? No. But Joe, it went down. Don't you want to sell something? No, I don't. You know, once it broke. Now, in order for us to short, you know, we want to see it come down, come up, come down. Okay, fine. It broke this level. It broke this level. We can short now. But because it went straight down, we don't want to enter here because we have the likelihood, very high likelihood of it coming up to here to come down and then maybe do that. You know, this is just a pullback. Or the market makers just taking out this liquidity that's over to the left. But I would not have shorted this. Now you're going to see everybody else, oh, it broke this indicator and this is when we short him. Okay, fine. But what if it does this? They don't say that. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. Looking at this right now, I really love this indicator, guys. Joe, your big head's in the way. Joe, you got a cone head. I really love this indicator. I've been messing with it. And so smash the like if you haven't already. But here it's telling me that we're at level 2 on the 3-minute time frame. Still only level 1 on the 15-minute. And so this is showing the possible momentum change. And because it's related to the moving averages and everything else. Oh, and I also took off the dots, so it's much easier to see. I've been working on this like a lot. We're working on it hard. And so now these can also change at any moment because it's depending on the candle. But right now, this is the potential reversal. Potential. Again, doesn't mean that it is, because if it comes down, well, then these turn red again. And then there's different levels. 1, 2, and 3. The higher up, the stronger it is. Stronger sell. So right now, so I don't like that it broke this as well. I don't like that it broke that as well. Who's in the chat, guys? Put a 1 in the chat. Put a 1 in the chat if you are here. Put a 2 if you're lurking. Put a 1 in the chat if you're here. Put a 2 if you're lurking. David says, if we break through here, it's very, very long way down. I know, man. Because what I'm looking at right now, and I don't want to see this. Eyeballs. What are you doing? And come for this. I don't want to see this. Where, oh, where has the bull run gone? Do I have that song? Because I think it's, you know what? Today feels like a Sunday. What day is this? Feels like a Sunday. Let me see if I have that. Oh, we got West. became a member. Look at you. Appreciate you, man. You have access to some special videos that I do for the VIP group. And by doing that, it helps support the channel. So I greatly appreciate you. And it's basically just paying it forward, you know, because I'm doing all this stuff for free. Now, if you want to be in the group of the VIP, then that's, of course, that really helps support the channel. But this is a definite like appreciation. Thank you. Joe, you act like he just gave you $1 million. To me, it is. Because right now, money's not, you know, money's not growing on trees. And you're helping support the channel. So thank you. Let's see here. I want Hindsight Hustler. Maybe Hindsight Hustler. I want to. I don't have it on here. We'll do Hindsight Hustler. What song was I going to do? I don't even listen to myself. Hold on, let me see if I can find this. What was it? No, okay, I'm wasting too much time. See here. Your VIP is next on my list. Hey, appreciate that, Wes. Appreciate you. Let's see if we can make you some money. Let's go. Let's go. I'll be 75% out of this pump up to the rejection point, assuming we even get, yeah. Make it bounce. Okay, we'll do make it bounce. I have that one on cue. There we go. Let's make it bounce.
We in the charts again. Support line.
And you haven't worked on your new one. Oh yeah. So I need to do the song where are all my liquidator traders at? I need to do that one. I do. Make it bounce. I like this song.
To the screen, charts looking heavy, but we move like a machine. Candles playing tricks, yeah, they trap the whole crowd. We're hitting the lows, portfolio getting plowed. Liquidity pockets.
Pattern traders will see this as a bull flag. I don't. Really bad. I don't want to say really bad traders. Pattern traders that force patterns will see this as a cup and a handle. It's not. Don't force it, guys. Just know that we have to break this up. 0.05283. Then we got this level right here. If we go up,
then pump it high like a savage punch, double bottom looking like a bounce. No disguise, candle close after retesting the breakout is all prize. Volume spike, that's
but right now, like just the momentum. But once we start breaking like this, these are going to start changing because they're just showing you that it's starting to come up. See here. Ah. Bounce, 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 bounce.
Make it bounce. Support level, get respect. Now we pound, squeeze the villain, patience the crown. Market makers play, they run the town. But when you learn their game, announce price, finding the support level now. Make it bounce. Market makers make it bounce. Price hit load and renounce. Take them profits, no remorse. Move like a shark, stay on course.
Yeah, so for me, like this, I'm kind of worried about because I mean, it would serve as really strong support. Like we have 1, 2, 3, and then dump. So if we come up here, I mean, we may trade in this for a while before it either comes down or up. But right now, no trade on it. Let's do virtuals next, and then we'll go back to ADA. So virtuals. Oof.
Market makers make it bounce.
So what do we have on this? So I'll leave that bounce zone here. Oh man, we were looking at this for a short. Dang it. I completely forgot about it. Let's just see if we would, oh, we would have been stopped out. Yeah, we would have been stopped out in a heartbeat. So the price was here. I'm thinking we're gonna come down to come up and then come down. This is my plan A. Instead, we went down, up, and then further up, and then came all the way down. Man, this is volatile like crazy. Yeah, we would have 9 drawings. Get out of here. Let's go daily. Double click, double click. Ooh, short. And it's just starting too. We can short it to this zone. I have a song. Let me load. Hey, we got Trey playing here. What's up, Trey Fly? Just jamming out. Just stopping by, show some love. Appreciate you, man. Thank you for smashing the like. You're the best. You are the best. I have a song, guys. I haven't played it anywhere else yet, but this is when we're gonna be shorting everything. So let me bring that song up. That one is not make it bounce. Let's make it drop. So let me pull that one up. Let me load it up. Make it drop. Okay, I gotta find it now. See here. Gotta make it bounce. Genius face, trade like a pro, don't marry the coin, the power of FOMO, neonatal brainwaves, chop game, market changes. Oh, did I save it yet? Bitcoiners. Better days ahead. Mercy, wrecked, price action, never sell out. Losing is part of the game. These are all the names of my songs. How low can it go? That's an old song. Hindsight Hustlers, Echo Chamber, Don't Trade That, Buy the Dip. We can do Buy the Dip. Buy the Dip's funny. Buy the Dip. But it keeps on dipping. Man, I really wanted to do that other song. I want y'all to hear it. I just haven't fixed it yet. Let's see here. 1 second, guys. Bear with me. Let's see here. I really want y'all to hear it. Go here to this, and this is make it drop. We're gonna be playing this a lot when we are. Oh, I have another song, Leverage Life. There's I Told You So. That's funny. Let's see here. The Market Makers Game. Market Makers Make It Drop. Let me just hear it real quick.
Move clean.
Okay, so let's do this. Download. And we'll just do it to YouTube. Okay. Do I have it over here already? No, okay. Okay. So we're going to listen to this song. It's a new song. YouTube. And it's Make It Drop. We're gonna be playing this song when we're doing shorts, and like a lot of shorts. So make it drop. And that may be loud. I'll turn it down in just a second.
Yeah, hey. This a game they don't teach in books. Price move, look clean till it ain't what it looks. Trade with intuition, watching the charts breathe. Market makers pumping it for hope, leaving traders to bleed. Drop, 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 drop. Make it dump, drop, drop. Market makers make it drop, 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 drop. Price finding support, then they swap, swap. Pump the dream, then pop the plot, plot. Market makers make it drop, 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 drop. Fake it up high, watch it flop, flop, flop. Same old trick, never stop, stop. Market makers make it dump, dump. Bear markets are made to short, don't get stuck. Trade intuition in the lab with Fibonacci precision. Liquidity grabs, part of the mission. Market makers running the highs, getting that commission. Traders chasing hype with no intuition. Support line tested with volume compression. Next move clean, that's a chart confession. Market makers faking out traders with the pump just to set up the dump. Traders thinking bear market's over, getting traders in a slump. Market makers tricking bear market traders with a pump. Traders thinking reversal, no continuation of the dump. Candles red, liquidation flood. Small money swimming while bullish traders drown in the mud. Market makers love, traders greed. Going long when it's clear to see. Zoom out, highs haven't been broken, that's the key. Drop, 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 make it dump. Market makers make it drop, 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 drop. Price finding support, then they swap, swap, swap. Pump the dream, then pop the plot, plot, plot. Market makers make it drop, 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 drop. Fake it up high, watch it flop, flop, flop. Same old trick.
So that's the market makers make it drop. I might do another version of it, but bear markets were made for us to short. So here we did break this level, which is good. For me, I think this is a good short. Granted, it already moved, but I'm thinking we may come back up. So something like this. Let's do this in whites. I think potentially, I would like to see it reject here, but probably here. And then maybe a bounce here just to fake everybody out to maybe come down. Now this one, the I believe it's under $1 billion market cap. And this will be our decision point. And then maybe come back down here where I was looking at it and I felt so bad for my group, man. Slept on this coin and I was looking at it too. That's what gets me frustrated. I'm not gonna lie, it makes me frustrated. Because I mean, I was looking at it for so long. I was like, you know, I'll wait for, let's enter this, man. What am I doing just talking? So I'm gonna actually have 2 entries. One at the current spot and then one up here. So I am going to enter this trade. Granted, it moved a lot already. How much did it move? Like 18% or so. Boom. Bingo bangles in the chat, guys. Put bingo bangles in the chat. Bingo bangles. Yeah, so it moved 18%. So I'm going to put a little bit here. And here's my other entry. As far as my stop loss, man, I'm going to have to do like a 2%. Yeah, I can't do that. It moved too much. It's high risk, very high risk. For me personally, I can't do it. I want to, but it moved way too much. Even at a 2x leverage. I mean, I could do a 1x leverage, but that's not even worth it. I'd have to put my stop loss way up here at 2x leverage. And then here I'd be adding. So I have to wait on this one. As much as I want to get in, I have to wait for it to come up and then start rolling over. Then I can enter. But yeah. So I would do this right here. This is going to be yellow. So this is aggressive entry. Right now I cannot enter. So let's do a sad face. Let's do a sad face. Face. Because I can't enter. Not so much sad because we didn't lose, but I can't enter it. Could it come all the way down here and then come up and keep on going? Yeah, sure. And I just miss it. But that's that right there. Let's see here. We're going to do the next one. I got to be watching this one. So let's come over here. Oh, no, wait. Let's copy this. Duplicate tab. All right. So we did virtuals. We did CAS. Let's do SUI and no, let's do ADA and then SUI and then Doge. And then that's going to be it for the show. So, and then I'm doing another show tonight, which is my regular time at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today is just doing a bonus stream. And tomorrow I might do a bonus stream, but it'll be early in the morning if I do it. So make sure you're following me on X. Make sure you're in the free Discord. Links in the description. It's to my link tree. And the link for the Discord is, it does not expire. So I'll let you know. I didn't know you can make it like that. Okay, let's see here. Let's go to Cardano. Not looking good. This one actually looks good for a short. This one looks better for a short than virtuals because it just broke this level and it didn't move down 20%, 18%. And then what we could do is come down for all this. Even though we did already, we can still come down. There's not a lot of ups and downs. I like this one a lot for a short. We can get an easy, I don't say easy, but a decent 8 to 10% move with no leverage, in my opinion. But this, beautiful. And that's on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, where's my music at? Oh, it stopped. Let's see here. Let's go and put, what other music do I have? Do I have Don't Steal My Chart on this one? Oh, I don't have it. I'm just checking. Now let's do this one. We haven't heard this one in a while. It's the Magnet song.
It's the Marcus truth. No fairy tales. Minotaurs spitting lies.
It's low, so it's in the background. Ah man, this one went straight down to. Just saw that.
Super glue, they paint a picture, got you dreaming of wins, but they guaranteed moves not moving, calling indicators magnets. Traders believe in every word, price moves where it wants. Haven't you heard? Mentors selling you certainty, feeding you lies, saying this level's a magnet while your count slowly dies. Nobody knows what'll happen, no crystal ball to view, only magnet and trading, a tool on Trading View.
Dangerous words that mentors say, if it breaks this line, it'll run that way. Or price has to move if this thing's true, that kind of bias can bury you. It starts with hope, then turns to need. Next thing you know, your account will bleed. We only have probabilities, can't be deceived. Nothing acts as a magnet, nothing's guaranteed.
They hype up a level like it's gospel, no doubt. Cross this line, it's moon bound, man, cut that out. Bias in your brain, now you're trading on hope. Mentors got you swinging from a slippery rope. They say the same mate's a magnet, it's calling the play. But the market's a beast, they don't care what you say. FOMO got you jumping when the breakouts are fake. Regret in your chest when your profits are stake. Mentors pushing certainty like it's something to chase. But the chart don't know you, it'll slap you in the face. Nobody knows what'll happen, let's keep it 100. Only magnet and trading, a tool on Trading View, run it.
Dangerous words that mentors say, if it breaks this line, it'll run that way. Or price has to move if this thing's true, that kind of bias can bury you. It starts with hope, then turns to need. Next thing you know, your account will bleed. We only have probabilities, can't be deceived. Nothing acts as a magnet, nothing's guaranteed.
Mentors be using the wrong verbiage when explaining, saying price will do this, man, stop playing. Focus on the flow where the buyers and sellers meet. Pivots tell the story, let the candle speak.
No magnet, no lock, just a probabilistic view.
Magnet and trading is a tool on Trading View, yeah.
We only have probabilities, can't be deceived.
Nothing acts as a magnet, nothing's guaranteed.
Dangerous words that mentors say, if it breaks this line, it'll run that way. Or price has to move if this thing's true, that kind of bias can bury you. It starts with hope, then turns to need.
Price actions, the boss, set your own trading pace. Price actions king, no crystal ball to view. Only magnet in trading, a tool on trading view.
That's right, guys. The only magnet in trading is right here. It's on Trading View. Nothing acts like a magnet. Now, there are averages, and that has a higher percentage, higher likelihood that the price might go there. Notice the terminology: might, chance, possibility, probability, versus, oh, this acts like a magnet, it's going here. No, totally different. Those two statements are completely different. Mining stocks in the house. What's up, my friend? What's going on? But yeah, so we're going to enter this short. For this one, and do I even have a 1-to-1 risk to reward? Barely. I do 2 entries. So I'm gonna do an entry here and entry here. This one's not so bad as far as the, you know, when it came down. But go 15 minutes. And right now it's not looking strong. You know, I would like to see it come up, down, up, break these levels, just so we can make it up top. And I don't like this risk to reward. So if I was going to do 2 entries, which I normally do, then what I would need to do is I would need to, let's say I was going to do $100. I would have to do $25 here and $75 here because of the amount of stop where my stop loss is at versus my target. Now, if it was a 1-to-1, I can do $50 here, $50 here. But because it's not a 1-to-1, I have to redo my thought process as far as how I'm going to allocate my money. I do like this though for a short. You know what really sucked though? Everything came down just so it can go up. That's what would really suck. Right now, I'm not showing anything as far as, let's get rid of this. As far as like the potential of it coming up. We're at the bounce zone. There's so many things that I like about this for a short. It's ridiculous. For one, it didn't break this zone and way down here. And the reason this is a safer entry is because this created a pivot and is a nice move down, so it's a strong pivot. Techman says, straight to the top. It will go all the way down. There you go. Yep. So, I mean, I like it. It's just the risk reward I don't like. So let me go ahead and just give a stop loss. If y'all want to take it, that's cool. Right now, I'm still kind of iffy on it. It looks, oh no. Let's just change those numbers. Yeah, I don't like certain numbers. Let's go here. Oh man, come on now. So, oh, there's our stop loss. This will be your target. First target anyway. And then second target will be right here. I don't know. Target. I'm gonna look. I don't want to, but I'm going to. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. All right, so this would be the setup. Aggressive entry, adding to our aggressive entry, safer entry here. And of course, you know, we'll see where the pivots are at so we can have our stop loss above the pivot. More than likely, this will not be our first target. This will be our first target for the safer entry. Could this just continue come straight down? Sure. I would like to see a bit of a retracement first for it to come over. So I'll have to wait on that one. This one, you know, same thing. It's coming down, but it's too much for me. So I'll look at that one too. Let's see here. Did we do? I don't remember. I don't listen to myself. We did ADA. Do we do SUI? Double click. Double click. Double click. Double click. Okay. So we didn't do SUI yet. This one we did yesterday, the day before. Into this trade, we did a long. We got stopped out at 2.5%. We can just call that. So let's go and delete this. 33 drawings. You nuts. Okay, this one, man. So we had this zone. Then we broke that zone. Then we broke this level. The start. I don't know. I mean, it's a strong level right here. And it just broke through it like butter. 15-minute, double click. The thing that I don't like is just the straight down. Because what goes down will come up. Like, that's the only guarantee, is that it will come up. And it just, when? I don't know. Like, is it going to come up now or come, you know, up over here? Joe, don't you know about fair value gaps? Don't you know about liquidity? Don't you know about moving averages? It can come up whenever it wants. Like right here, this zone. It could bounce here. Yeah, it's a long way. One hour. Double click. Man, this one looks great for a short too. And here's the thing too. Like, you don't want to be in a lot of trades. Look at 15%. I can't do it. So this would be my aggressive entry, but I'm not going to do it though. Yellow means aggressive. And then for my adding to my aggressive would be And I'm afraid it's going to go up. Afraid it's going to go down and then maybe break that level. Maybe the down's already done by then. Breaking this pivot, if it becomes a pivot, this will be our white. Let's see here. Chris says, there's been a lot of talk about SUI lately. Everybody trying to call Bitcoin back to feed on higher price again. Yeah. Thinking of spot buying SUI. Oh yeah, definitely. Like spot buying, that's the way to go. Matter of fact, Daniel Crypto was talking about that earlier, where the best trading strategy is just buying spot. And I agree 100%. I said facts. But we like trading with leverage and gets the blood going. Got to make a little more futures trading. Yep. Very true. Yeah, that's the only problem. Like when prices moved, like they may continue to keep moving. Let me, so we did, oh, we need to do Doge. And then, that's all. If you, of course, you want to, same thing, not too much. Just looks exactly like the other one. If you want to consider doing a donation, you can. We can do another coin, but yeah, it looks the same. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna run through a bunch of coins. So no, oh, Aerodrome looks good, but what's that percentage wise? 10%. So Aerodrome's in the running. Aerodrome, nope. Hype is in the running, big time. Aerodrome, Hype. This is how I look from Aerodrome, Hype. Nope. 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 Oh wait, Litecoin, nope. Doge, nope. Virtuals, we talked about that one. I already forgot which ones. Type it in the song. Type it in the chat, guys. Those two that I just mentioned, please. Joe, put a meat sound effect on your song. I should. Meat mer. So nope. XRP. That could be a good one. Because it come up, down, take it all out, but it moved too much already. 8%, not bad. So if you can put those two in there. Ooh, towel. Wait. 10%. Add towel to the list. Let me know who's writing the list down. Zbeck. Zbeck hasn't even moved. Is anybody trading Zbeck? What's the trading volume? Oh, nobody's trading it. That's why. Zbeck. I don't think anybody making the list? Checking it twice? I don't think so. Great new list. October 30th. I know there's a 30-second delay, but sometimes it feels like there's a 2-hour delay because no one's answering. How's Esther? Now I'm sure we're gonna get there in just a second. What happened is I gotta go back now. Was it Arrow? Arrow's one of them. So now it's gonna take longer. I was trying to rush through these. Yeah, it's gonna take too long. I can't do it. Hype, I think, was another one. I'm trying to make y'all money, guys, but y'all don't want to participate. Yeah, you know what? I'm done. So here, what it says? I'm sorry, man. I'm working right now. Yeah, it's good. It's all good. What should I put on the list? Arrow. How's Esther? Yeah. So I just need these to be typed in the chats and then have a list going so that we can look at them so we can make some money. So who's going to do that? We need to I'll just write them down. Joe, don't say it. I really hate relying on people. There are some people that I have that I rely on. They said they're going to help me out. Doing something else that's, YouTube related. Let down. I think I'll do this off stream though. But so tonight, I will go live at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure to tune in then. Joe, your feelings hurt? Nah, feelings aren't hurt. It always happens. That's what, man, I really hate asking for help. Man, I hate it so much. Because then you're opening yourself up to being disappointed. I don't like to be disappointed. So I just do it myself. Or I don't do it. But so just let you know, the ones that I pointed out, definitely keep an eye on those because those have very high potential. We've already gone an hour and a half. Let's see here. Who's streaming right now? Who's streaming? Let us look. Meet Damien. He'll be on for like 30 more minutes. Let's go to Meet Damien. Let me do that. Yeah. So let's go Meet Damien. So we're gonna go over there. I do thank you guys very much. Let's see here. We got some chat going on. See here. I'm still a supporter of GRT. Nice. Hanging right at bear market lows. Ouch. But it really concerns me if it fell 43% below the all-time lowest. What? On a 10 and 10. I bought a little down there. Watching it. Ouch. Arrow and hype. So definitely check those out. I feel like gaming will make a comeback. I don't know, man. The gaming, in my opinion, I mean, it's so, I mean, last season I was like, man, this is like 1994 gaming. Like the graphics is just horrible. They've gotten better. But yeah. All right, guys, so that's it for me. We're gonna go live tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I do realize, due to different time zones, that may be too late for you or too early in the morning for you. But from here on out, I may do another bonus stream. Again, be watching on X, and also if you're in the free Discord, make sure you get in there. It's free. If you want free access to the Telegram free portion, send me a message on Telegram, trade_intuition. We'll get you in the free portion of the Telegram. Again, I want to make money with you, not because of you. If you have money, and only if you have money, and you want to join the VIP, where you get access to basically all these updates that I do, like for the group, whether it's our active trades or just the market in general, then reach out to me, trade_intuition on TradingView, not TradingView, on Telegram, and then we'll get you set up today to get in the VIP, and then you have access. Not only that, but you have access to me almost 24/7. All right, that's all I got. I do thank you very much. We'll see you on the next one. We're going to go to Meet Damien, so make sure to put Trade Intuition Raid. Trade Intuition Raid. Thank you guys so much for being here. You guys are the best. We'll see you soon. Take care. See you tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard.